Welcome to the PixelLights mapping tutorial. This video will walk through, step by step, how to directionally map your PixelLights install. First, let's apply a chase pattern to see how the lights were installed. Here, we can see that the controller is mounted near the door, and one output goes to the left, and the other goes towards the right. With mapping, we can route the lights to seamlessly flow across both outputs. Maps are created in the Setup wizard. If you've already set up your system, you can restart Setup in the Settings tab under Advanced Settings. Back on the home page, you can skip the first few setup steps by clicking Start, Done, and then Next twice. We've updated our pattern list and animations to accommodate mapping. To get all the new patterns, click Delete, and wait until your patterns have been deleted, and then click Download. This process may take a minute. Please wait until patterns are downloaded. This system has already downloaded all the new patterns, but we'll run the download process again, just to make sure. Once you've downloaded all the patterns, you're ready to map your lights. Close the downloader to continue with system setup. When mapping your directions, you must stand outside to get the direction and sections right. We'll be using the preview on the left to simulate our install. Next, click the controller you want to map, and wait for the green flashing light to appear. First, create a new section. Each section has a start and end point. The start point is where the section will start from, playing to the end point before transitioning to the start of the next section. For this install, I want the patterns to start at the end of the first output, on the left side of the house. I'll move my cursor there and click Set. This starts your section. Next, we want to move the cursor and fill the section until the end of an output or section. Once you've created a section, you can name it accordingly and give it a color to distinguish it from other sections. Now, just repeat those steps, creating sections for your installation. Make sure to put the start point of your section at the next light you want your animations to play on after your previous section. Once you've mapped all of your lights, check that there are no large blank spaces in the bar at the top. If there are, you may need to go back and adjust pixel counts for each output. If you are happy with your map, click Finish. Give your app a few moments to process and upload the map to your controller. After it has uploaded, click the back arrow in the top left. For multi-controller systems, you'll have to repeat this process for each controller. Once that's done, you can finish the setup wizard and return to the home page to control your lights. Let's try a few directional patterns on our install to make sure everything flows correctly. We can see that each section flows seamlessly into the next one, starting at each start point until the end point for each section we created. Let's try one of my favorite patterns, inspired by a certain talking car of the 80s. This pattern is great at showing just how mapping direction works across your lights. We hope you found this instructional video helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to visit our website at pixellights.com. Order now!